How to disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So in order to disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger, first of all go ahead and open Messenger application. But before that, check if there is any updates of this application. For that, you can exit Messenger app and go ahead and open the Play Store and come back. On this Play Store page, you need to select the search bar at the top of the screen and search Messenger. Select the Messenger, and then once you're on the space next to Messenger, if you see any update button, you simply need to tap on update and update your app. Since I already have updated my app, so there is open button instead of update. So let's open the Messenger app and then sign into your account. So in order to disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger, first of all you have to locate the chat where the end-to-end encryption is enabled. So let's open any chat and let's scroll towards the top. As you can see, there is end-to-end encrypted and messages and calls are secured with end-to-end encryption. This means we have enabled end-to-end encryption in Messenger on this chat as well. So to disable it, you can tap on the three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen, and once you're on this left panel, you need to select the ear icon at the top right corner of the screen. So on this page, you need to search for secret conversation. So simply on that page, you will find secret conversation, which will look like this. You simply need to select the secret conversation, and from here you can easily disable the end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So since on my device there is no any go to secret conversation option, so we cannot disable from here. So if you have on your device, then you can simply go to the secret conversation and disable from there. The another method how you need to do, or how you can apply to disable the end-to-end encryption messenger, is simply you can tap and hold this chat and you will see the delete option. You can simply tap on delete and you can delete the entire conversation, where it will help you to disable the end-to-end encryption in messenger as well. So let's tap on delete, and then you can again start a new conversation where there will be no any end-to-end encryption in messenger. So that is how we easily disable the end-to-end encryption in messenger. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe it and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel.